Na yɛmpɛni for wɔn mo yare anaasɛ deɛ kwame. Mintimi ntiase o. When you ask
Abuja from mo nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we be from Mr. President Amejo also. TikTok or comment section ho. By be we be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that be ano the meeting the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the be ameka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
I believe so deserve one. Quite to better 30,000 pounds a year. Ah, million. No, no, I'm making. Me and Butum Scrapping Funk on our binding. 30,000 pounds. Now, a big bruiser. Yeah, yeah. Or more troll crackers on the wall or bus. I mean, so when I exactly I had my factory. I troll crackers what you must say in party, they say, boy, bus. No more about a bus body and it be mountain. The bed were one of the most expensive hotels. Now, one ban. Except we didn't part a duke and ever. Cities. If you crowd 10,000 cities. If you Uchia and Sunday there was a body no amount. Now, you're very for one more Yare answer the Kwame. Mintimi tells you when you ask the one more Yare pa a more of us now to way so now say what kwaja basu badie now you are mine si kaso na ekukutuaka. Sabio ta franche na do. Energy me. I mean, energy me and among country me titles global energy me. Complete Jimmy say Ghana mine to be a woman opening between 30,000 pounds or the quadri and basu body. Julius Zebra. Me person me bubu. Ma sheda na me bubu. Aso na be bubu. How na juice. Why you? Omu do so chensa. Omu do so ambassador sikukura ni nemu. By commission.
Kezela 240. No problem. Banko. That's okay. Best performing male minister. Honorable Iman Amakofi Boa. Wankoho. No problem. Best performing female minister. Honorable Rita Akwesi. Gwade. Rita Misokoi.
Oh, I don't know.
Debbie. Eastern region. Eastern region. Yes, who and see ho. Oh, bye. Okay. Gwade here. Best deputy minister. Dokase Afo Toffee. Deputy Minister of Transport. Madam, we are correct. Best regional minister, Miami Nia Balinda. Ah, the sister. Ah, sister.
So you follow.
Sister. Best public institution CEO. We are not going to DVL here to gold board.
Wait.
Because some of you own here. Huh? On the same way, or some of you on pay, on course I deal with who. On any brand, I not see here or buy a crunch. I say, Captain, yes, we are in Kadia, may on one back. I'm so boss, so outing. Order of Star of Ghana. Hey. Kofana Nkwasiafuor. Order of Star of Ghana. What's your SSR award? President to pay. Let me demand. No, I can't yes award. We're saying
Doing so well. Deputy Attorney General and the boss doing so well. Say cases in bear 4 and no be na minya updated the bremo. They are doing well. Maybe ones are no necessary attention when or them are buying. Let me view no. I don't know what to make of it. Feel free share in the comments that you are not subscriber. Most subscriber not click on the notification. The video be at my home. No, it's my share. Make sure so be strong so you am me here. Me anan so here.
Eh, ato force na ye. Eh, ato force you no a all cause only evidence o. Asam no can only evidence. But na nia bre because na dwen cha ne say obi akoye post ama e bia mo ato force that number 1. Enti mame ka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden. Ti mo ade mo ye mo hu nti e mamo. In a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mo amu wa ban mu mate mo ho ase ne say there is a man called r3s, and he is the president of the land. Ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamo. Someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama prez.Mahama na more respecting make kind say the power of our thumb. Tamuni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called r3s, who is the president of the land. Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic kakra bi. President in them what ya konwa so cry chat no respond. E to that friend no crofa. And the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni. As a business what we are seeing na ya de aso awo mo. And attention hunu kwa no mo kreti. Amu kwa mo refisa prez.Mahama kra wo ho. And ya na ha me no. And you mo ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president. So president wo ho na wo interest bi kra nti wontimi hide ne kakrampo. Supporters su kra nti mi hide. Ebi wa ha ka me wo ma da kubi out of any job beka. But it's like air overshadow amamwo na was ekoso no. And people have relaxed. And no money am brain no mati free no mo ya de omo pe. Hey, masa.
So na da no. Si mo de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwafufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say you hospitals and they go sana no me wumi say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya it is a scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi we say oh I mean say we say people for ya ne ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me so mo be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 do then you know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de se bi ye bibi ayen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bi invest ko ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is enya mo you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Agyeta mani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki ntimo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo mamu kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Agyeta mani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam one for the first time nam one I post oh yes nam one I post
ya no catch you be say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na this for the first time nam one akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam one yes na che say was in who kura dwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost why na se maintain mo ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry a koda I feel the old defediana I feel also by us say any mokra meda mempemubium a jumara nankasa me penachino. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Oh, Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin my baby and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are oh on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my